Okay, let's see. This day went from a 7 a.m. feeding, 12 p.m. feeding, nanning the kids, 5 p.m. feeding now. Hello. And 9 o'clock feeding. Gotta wear those horse pants. Here we are. But seriously, I must say, I should have grown up like this. Oh my god, and I have to share a fucking video with everyone. You don't even know what the fuck I did yesterday, and it's like a 5-minute long video, so I don't. Unfortunately, sometimes this happens, but I found a baby sheep. He has passed away, and I wished him to rest in peace. I will miss you. Say, oh, I think my camera is a little dirty. Oh, there, it's much better. Say good morning. Meh. Meh. Hi. Hi. Meh. See, over here. Meh. 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 Hi. Meh. Oh, really? Meh. Gotta show you some cute babies that I just really enjoy. They're so cute. Like this little brown one. Hi, Brownie. I don't know why, but you were just so... I love the brown ones. And there's also a very cute teeny tiny over here. Where's teeny tiny? Me. Me. Teeny tiny. Oh, here's teeny tiny. Teeny tiny. Me. 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 Teeny tiny. And then you got the big ones, like, oh, this great one's a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. How you doing? Bleh. Bleh. Cuties. Want to see? Thank you, thank you. I want to see what's going on in the greenhouse. Bagheera, what are you doing? Hi, Chichi. Chilling like a villain, Chichi. Yeah, Sassy. My name is Sassy. Give me a high five. No, high five. High five, Bagheera. That's not a high five. That's a sassy high five. No, Juan Brucey, wouldn't you agree? That's a sassy high five. Okay, let's go check the greenhouse. You love your kitty? Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. Oh, and I see little lettuce. Yes, 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 yes. Agvania.
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 Agvania. Agvania mehagina.
It's for the holiday. For the holiday. Oh, and she got it shine today. She really did. And a little bit of healthiness for us. Yeah, yeah.
Don't you understand? I've been thinking about this all day long. Never felt this feeling quite strong.
It's a personal video, don't worry.
How much it turns me on just to be your man.
pomegranate juice. It looks like a fucking smoothie. And it's just with a little splash of guava. Oh my god, that's fabulous. Oh yeah, that is fucking big. Oh my god!
Tommy.
Bah, Bo. We are moving the baby sheep over there. So when they're finished with me, they go over here. And they eat all on their own. Here comes some additions. Bo. They don't go so far, which is kind of cute. Beautiful babe is popping bottles. We'll get the pizza in the background over here. Popping bottles with a little filet.
Rosh Hashanah!
Yes, my friends, with a little. Give me another twirly twirl. Give me a twirly. This is so cute. Oh, so cute. And we got a pizza sauce. Oh shit! Crash and burn. Oh yeah, you're saucy. The men are worse than the women, I'm telling you. They're worse than
They
the
like
women.
pictures. They like
This is
attention.
proof. Full on proof, right girl? Proof. Proof that men love photos. Yes. We have another tiny. I love the tinies. Hi, tiny. Oh, and I have one more tiny over here. The big ones were very cute too. Oh, come here, tiny. I have to show you this gray little cutie. I no longer. Yes, Hamoud. He's like a little dog. Bo. Come on, let's go eat. We have to make sure they're eating on their own. I think he missed me and he thinks I'm eating. Come here, little guy. Come on. I love this one. Bo. See, we're trying to train them. And some of them don't like to eat on their own. Yeah. You are so cute. I just can't. Oof. Love you. Yay. This one doesn't want to eat either. See, they suck on your fingers. That's how you know they're hungry. And then this one just does it. He wants me instead. Go down here. Down. Nope. You will not get anything from me. Hi, Hamoud. Me. Run, my little limbs. You look so shocked. My fur baby is watching me from the window while I'm at work. You fine. Miko! Cuddy. Bo, Miko. Bo. Good boy. Hi, Miko. Bo. Good boy, good girl, good job, Miko. are you an old man? There's no way. There's no way. Good boy, Bo. Kadima, kadima. Good boy, good girl. Yay. Hi, Miko. Hi. Yes, the sheep man. Ashley's so cute, got me little. Oh, yes. Goody goodies. Happy holiday. Bagheera. Let's go. I have to show you this gray little cutie. I no longer. Yes, Hamoud. He's like a little dog. Bo. 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 Come on, let's go eat. We have to make sure they're eating on their own. There's no way. Good boy, Bo. Kadima, kadima. Good boy, good girl. Yay. Hi, Miko. Hi. You go, Glen Coco.
I did 7.
Damn it. This is a chubby little Mac. You see this chub? This is a Chi-Chi. Mac. Oh, you're so chubby. You're so chubby. Hi, Chub. Oh, my hand is as wide as your booty. Whoa. Wait. You Mac, you're so chubby. Wait. Come on, Chub. Wait. This new one is one of my favorites. Yes. And look how fuzzy. Look at his fuzzy. Shana Tova. Happy Shana Tova. It's an Israeli Jewish holiday. I'm making halal, aka flower party. Fucking flower everywhere, but look at this shit. Oh, it's gonna be real good. Oh, you don't flip, so fucking you. I flip a you. It's gonna rise, baby. It's gonna rise. So this is probably one of my favorite halal recipes. And I will show everybody the results of my concoction. And yeah, it'd be really fucking good, man. Look at this shit. That is like fucking. Wait, hold on. Oh, that is one freshie. Wow, what a chef. Oh, wait, I gotta get this cute. Look at, wait. Look at this cute little honey. Oh.
זה עם צימוקים בפנים, אז תיזהרו.
הוא לא?
לא, הוא לא.
למה תיזהרו?
לא, שתדעו שיש צימוקים. שזה לא ג'וקים. אני עייף, לא ישנתי בלילה.